Hi guys, it's Shani from Yiannimize, and today we have a Mercedes C63 AMG. Now this belongs to a YouTuber, someone in the car industry. You guys probably know who he is. He's never brought his car to us before. We've done his partner in crime, Sam, seen through glass. Click here, you can see that video. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to Mr. Paul Wallace. Paul! Welcome to the Yiannimize family.
I'm excited.
He's finally here. I've seen it loads and loads of time on his videos. Why don't you take your car to Yiannimize? He's finally here today. So, this was obviously in camo before, wasn't wrapped by us. It's now been stripped and it's back in the original
Stripped
white.
by me.
Stripped by you?
Yeah, I've got the scars here.
It's not easy, is it?
No.
People think, oh, it's easy to strip a car.
It's not, it takes a long time.
All right, so Goodwood Festival of Speed is in a week's time. And this car is going to be the Michelin race car. It's going to be on the stand?
It's going to be on the stand, it's going to be on display, and basically this is challenge number 3. So the first 2 challenges are on Sam's channel. I'm taking control of challenge number 3, where we are celebrating Michelin in motorsport. 100 years they've been involved with it, and it's amazing. So I've got Michelin tyres on this car, and we're going to just plaster this with some amazing stickers. We're going to sponsor it up. We're going to make it look as if it was ready for a rally stage.
So that is what we are going to do to his car. I hope you enjoy this video.
Now, if we look closely, we can see an insect crawling in its unnatural habitat of the Mercedes C63.
We're gonna put it where he belongs.
Local hero Nicco rescues the insect and returns him back to the wild where he belongs, with his family. Then back to work.
I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold ya. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for ya.
So the first of the stickers are cut out for Paul Wallace's new design. I think I'm going to start from the front, work my way backwards to allow the boys to do the side of the car, but obviously the front is done, so I can start working on the front of the car. Process is underway.
Baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you.
Yay, he's got 2 eyes this time.
Oh baby, every curves like a new adventure, pulling me into the center close. So
It's quite a cute little hand.
yeah, baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curves got me going crazy. Can't control it, cannot see it all.
AMG C63 is getting there. Progress is underway. It's looking good. So I was in charge of sort of like creating all the livery for this. Any stickers you see on the car, I've like cut, put together and placed ready for the boys. Do you know what? This looks so cool. I'm seeing it like come together, everything's in place. It's such a cool looking car. Definitely a one-off. The hardest one to actually cut out and weed was probably the Michelin men, just because there's a lot of small lines and details in there. But the hardest one to line up was definitely this one on the side, because obviously we have to make sure the spacing was in between, making sure everything's equal in line and all that stuff. So easy to do, but it just takes time. But yeah, it looks so cool.
So the car is complete. You can see it behind me, the Michelin Rally Car for Paul and Sam. There it is. It looks amazing. We've tried to mirror it on the original rally car, which was obviously the Escort Cosworth. And there it is. I've just found out Paul is on his way. So once he gets here, I'm gonna put it in the shutter and do a reveal for him. We'll get his facial expression and I hope he likes it.
Oh, here we go. Oh my God. Yes!
How
Dude.
good does that look?
Like, right, I'm taking everything in because there are so many elements and details that we talked about that you're just like, yeah, cool. And I'm like, pinstripes, stickers, racing driver names, our logos, hashtag Michelin FOS, hashtag Michelin Team UK. Everything is bang on.
This is up with one of the top wraps that we've done here for sure.
We've got this in the bag.
I hope so. I don't like losing.
There is no other team that has gone to this much effort. I feel like you're the right person to recruit into this because this is going to win challenge number 3. This is going to put our best chances against the rest of the world. If you are coming to Goodwood Festival of Speed, come down and see my C63. Wrapped by Yiannimize, challenge number 3, Michelin Festival of Speed.
Winner, winner.
Chicken dinner.
Boom.